Hello everyone, Paul here. Just doing a minor update on my 60 MGMC project. I've got the doors on, well, I've got the cab all back together and temporarily. So we're just getting everything ready to mock up and line up and make sure everything is square. So we're doing that. And I'm also getting the other big project done is the box. So I had some help the other day with Jerry. My buddy Jerry came over. We spent 3.5 hours trying to get this all squared up. So it's not as easy as the factory did it, I guess, back in the day. So, but we got it all on. When when these two sides were delivered, this side was delivered second and it had a ding in the side. If you look right there, and they also did not have the back corner properly packed, and you can see that there. So that wasn't a very nice surprise, that's for sure. So, but we'll work on it. So basically, we got this all together and on. You know, these all came at 3 different times, or 4 different times actually. The bulkhead, the box sides are all different times, and the floor, and even the wheel tubs are different. So, but they're all from the same company, so they should have fit better than they did, but they obviously didn't. But oh well, that's part of the game. So once I get past all that and get paint on it, it'll be all forgotten about. So anyhow, this is basically what the rear end looks like. It's right now it's just a stock 85 10 bolt with 308 gears in it. That'll be all changed out later. Replace the trailing arms, of course. Got a whole new floor in here. I got some work to do under the dash a bit there. Got a little bit more welding here and there, and I got to seam seal all this. I got to fix that patch, make that better. I got back issues and shoulder issues right now. I was in a quad accident back in May, so my shoulder isn't in place yet. But anyhow, so there's where we are with it. So this is going to be Casper 3, the street version, when it's all done. And if you see my other videos, you see Casper 1 and Casper 2 that I raced, and this is going to be a street version of those 2 trucks. So thanks for watching, and I'll post more stuff as it gets better. We'll see y'all later, or talk to y'all later. Thank you very much. Signing off, Street Stock 72.